Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share a DIY lip scrub recipe for smooth and soft lips. I went for a tour in different shops in my town to see what types of sugar scrubs there are, what consistency there is, ingredients used, as well as packaging and pricing. Of course, Lush was my first stop, and I really like this very sugary consistency. They also have different flavors and different recipes of lip scrubs. This one here is an inexpensive drugstore option that is more like a lip care and scrub at the same time. As you can see, it is more oily than the one from Lush. And then I found these lip scrubs that are in stick format, and I find this very user-friendly, and I would like to give it a try in one of my next projects. I think it needs to be quite a hard recipe, including beeswax, for example, in order to hold its shape. Here is a similar, more expensive version. Here you can see another drugstore type version and some lip scrub sticks again from a very famous company around here. And as you can see, they come in different flavors. I also found some lip oils. That is also a great idea for a future project. But for now, let's see what kind of recipe that we can make today. I would like to make a lip scrub that is exfoliating your lips and nourishing it at the same time. So let's get started with the ingredients that we will need. First one is of course the sugar. And this one here is just normal regular white sugar. We will make another version with brown sugar in just a moment. Our next ingredient is coconut oil. This one here is already melted. I have some flavor oils that I ordered recently that I have never used before. Always make sure you use lip-safe flavor oils for your lip products. Last but not least, jojoba oil for extra care. I'm using these measuring spoons today for practical reasons, but of course you can also weigh out your ingredients on a scale. I'm starting by adding 3 tablespoons of sugar to my measuring glass. You can find, of course, the recipe down in the description box below, along with all the links for all ingredients, tools and equipment that I'm using or recommending. Now let's add the coconut oil, and the nice thing about it is that it will become solid when cooling down and give this recipe a firm consistency. Now we add the jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is great for chapped lips. It absorbs quickly into your lips to soften and smooth it without leaving a greasy film. If you don't have jojoba oil or you prefer to opt for a more inexpensive ingredient, you can use sweet almond oil or olive oil as well. Both are great for lip care. You want to mix it very well and make sure that the sugar really absorbs all the oils. It's now time to add the colorant for the extra pop. This is of course an optional step. I'm using a mica and will just add a very small amount and mix it well into the mixture until everything has a uniform color. You can use any color, but this pink matches the flavor oil called strawberry prosecco. A few drops of flavor oil are enough for this recipe, and the pipette is great to have a good control. Again, mix well and then spoon your mixture into the container of your choice. I have these glass containers here, but you could of course use some small honey or jam glasses, aluminum tins or similar small containers. I absolutely love the look of these scrubs. Now let's make another type of scrub with the use of brown sugar. This is organic brown sugar, and I specifically went for a fine grain type. This I found not so easy to find around here. The recipe is exactly the same and the same procedure as we have seen before. Now we obviously don't need any colorant for this scrub here, but we are going to add the flavor oil called salted caramel, fitting to the look. First, you want to give it a very good mix to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. Smells amazing. We mix it very well again, and then we spoon it into our containers. Looks amazing too. I designed some labels for this project, and the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page have free access to it as always and can download these and add them to their own lip scrub projects. I would love to hear how these scrubs turned out if you are making it. I have an entire playlist for skincare DIY projects that I will leave here on the screen. If you are interested in more DIY projects or soap making, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and I see you around here very soon for another video. In the meantime, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!